This training will cover how to find potential chemical replacements for your existing processes. Using less hazardous chemicals will reduce the amount of hazardous waste and air emissions generated while increasing user safety and compliance. We will be highlighting a few different tools and resources that are helpful when searching for safer chemicals. Here is a quick overview of the tools and resources we'll be discussing in the video. From the Environmental Protection Agency, we'll be looking at the Safer Choice Labels, Safer Ingredients List, Greener Products, the Program for Assisting the Replacement of Industrial Solvents known as PARIS 3, and the Significant New Alternative Policy, or SNAP program. From the Toxics Use Reduction Institute, or TURI, we'll be highlighting the Pollution Prevention Options Analysis System, the Cleaner Solutions Database, and alternatives assessment tools. First, let's look at EPA's Safer Choice program. EPA's Safer Choice program helps consumers, businesses, and purchasers find products that perform to expectation and contain ingredients that are safer for human health and the environment. When consumers see the Safer Choice label on a product, they can be confident the ingredients have been through a rigorous EPA review. The Safer Choice label means that EPA scientists have evaluated every ingredient in the product to ensure it meets the program's stringent criteria. When people use Safer Choice certified products, they are protecting their families and the environment by making safer chemical choices. In addition to meeting stringent safety criteria, every product with the Safer Choice label is made without sacrificing quality or performance. More than 2,000 products currently qualify to carry the Safer Choice label. When looking for an alternative product, go to the EPA Safer Choice website and search the product you are currently using to find a Safer Choice certified replacement. The EPA Safer Chemical Ingredients list includes safer alternatives that have been evaluated through the Safer Choice program. Safer Choice restricts product VOC content based on the most stringent government criteria. It also doesn't allow products included in EPA's list of hazardous air pollutants. It is possible there are chemicals out there not included in the list that are also safe to use. Chemicals in the list are organized by functional use class and are also classified using 4 different codes. The green circle indicates the chemical has been verified to be of low concern based on experimental and modeled data. The green half circle indicates the chemical is expected to be of low concern based on experimental and modeled data, and additional data would strengthen EPA confidence in the chemical's safer status. The yellow triangle indicates the chemical has met safer choice criteria for its functional ingredient class, but has some hazard profile issues. Specifically, a chemical with this code is not associated with a low level of hazard concern for all human health and environmental endpoints. While it is a best-in-class chemical and among the safest available for a particular function, the function fulfilled by the chemical should be considered an area for safer chemistry innovation. The gray square indicates this chemical will not be acceptable for use in products that are candidates for the Safer Choice label, and currently labeled products that contain it must reformulate per Safer Choice compliance schedules. To help consumers buy greener, the EPA has summarized information about several categories of products and services, including environmental attributes to consider, how to buy, and useful resources. When looking for a greener product or service, simply choose your purchase category and the page will provide background on the product type, sustainability considerations, purchase recommendations, how to identify and procure sustainable products and services, and additional resources. Purchasing sustainable products can have a wide variety of human and environmental impacts, including pollution prevention, resource conservation, and waste reduction. SNAP is the Significant New Alternative Policy Program established under Section 612 of the Clean Air Act to identify and evaluate substitutes for ozone depleting substances. The SNAP program continually updates its list of alternatives as EPA makes decisions informed by the overall understanding of the environmental and human impacts and current knowledge about available substitutes. The Program for Assisting the Replacement of Industrial Solvents, known as PARIS 3, is a computer software tool that allows users to select more sustainable solvent replacements with properties closest to those traditionally used by industry. The software helps users find replacements for solvent mixtures with dangerous environmental side effects. It can also be used to find solvents with lower environmental impact when designing new industrial processes. PAIRS 3 provides a cost-effective approach to pollution prevention because users do not have to change equipment or modify their chemical processes in order to adapt safer, greener solvents. This tool will be useful to industry professionals such as solvent technicians, solvent engineers, environmental engineers, or environmental consultants. The Toxics Use Reduction Institute, known as TURI, offers a wealth of resources to help businesses, municipalities, and communities find safer alternatives to toxic chemicals to protect human health and the environment. Additional resources offered by TURI include the Pollution Prevention Options Analysis System, the Cleaner Solutions Database, and alternative assessment tools. The P2OA system helps identify potential environmental, health, and safety issues before adopting a change. The Cleaner Solutions Database offers results of lab trials on industrial and janitorial cleaners, and the alternative assessment tools help when reviewing chemicals of concern and the availability of safer, technically feasible, and affordable alternatives. No matter what industry you're working in, there are tools and resources to help you find and purchase chemical replacements that are safe and still meet quality and performance expectations. Introducing safer alternatives on the job can create a healthier work environment, prevent pollution, and reduce a wide variety of environmental impacts. If you have any questions about how to use these resources or would like more information, you can contact the Pollution Prevention Institute at Kansas State University using the contact information shown on this page.